English-Tagalog Sentence Translation, Lesson number 6. I want to sit down for a minute. I want to sit down for a minute. Gusto kong umupo sandali. Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Pwede ba akong umupo rito? Would you like me to open the door? Would you like me to open the door? Gusto mo bang buksan ko ang pinto? Please turn down the TV. Please turn down the TV. Pakihinaan mo naman ang TV. Where were you this morning? Where were you this morning? Nasaan ka kaninang umaga? Is Henry in? Is Henry in? Nandyan ba si Henry? Hang on, let me see if he's here. Hang on, let me see if he's here. Sandali lang, titingnan ko kung nandito siya. Do you have any idea where he is? Do you have any idea where he is? May ideya ka ba kung nasaan siya? Do you get what I mean? Do you get what I mean? Nakukuha mo ba kung anong gusto kong sabihin? Do you know when he will be back? Do you know when he will be back? Alam mo ba kung kailan siya babalik? You can't believe everything you read in the news. You can't believe everything you read in the news. Hindi mo pwedeng paniwalaan ang lahat ng nababasa mo sa balita. If that's the case, so be it. If that's the case, so be it. Kung ganun talaga, edi ganun. I'm sick of telling you, think before you speak. I'm sick of telling you, think before you speak. Nagsasawa na ako sa kasasabi sa'yo. Mag-isip ka muna bago ka magsalita. I'm having a barbecue on Friday. Are you up for it? I'm having a barbecue on Friday. Are you up for it? Magba-barbecue ako sa Biyernes. Feel mo ba? I feel like my world is falling apart. I feel like my world is falling apart. Pakiramdam ko parang guguho ang mundo ko. I'm sorry, can you say that again? I'm sorry, can you say that again? Pasensya na, pwede bang pakiulit mo yon? My mind keeps wandering. I can't concentrate. My mind keeps wandering. I can't concentrate. Naglalayag ang isip ko. Hindi ako makapag-concentrate. I'll find a way to solve this problem. I'll find a way to solve this problem. Hahanap ako ng paraan para malutas ang problemang ito. I wasn't satisfied with their service, so I didn't give them a tip. I wasn't satisfied with their service, so I didn't give them a tip. Hindi ako nasiyahan sa serbisyo nila, kaya hindi ko sila binigyan ng tip. I feel on top of the world. I feel on top of the world. Ang saya-saya ko. I've waited long enough. I'm not going to wait any longer. I've waited long enough. I'm not going to wait any longer. Naghintay na ako ng matagal. Hindi na ako maghihintay pa. Just get to the point. Just get to the point. Kahulugan? Diretsuhin mo na kasi. Pull yourself together. Pull yourself together. Ayusin mo yung sarili mo. Ginagamit ang phrase na ito pagkatapos mo magalit ng gusto o kaya ay ma-depress at nawala ng tiwala sa sarili o nawala ka sa ayos o direksyon. I'm happy with my outfit. I'm happy with my outfit. Masaya ako sa suot ko. She's married to a lawyer. She's married to a lawyer. Kasal siya sa isang abogado. O kaya, abogado ang asawa niya. Do it immediately. Do it immediately. Gawin mo kaagad. I don't have any money. I don't have any money. Wala akong pera. Go straight ahead. Go straight ahead. Dumiretso ka. No harm was done. No harm was done. Wala namang nagawang pinsala. He prefers reading to writing. He prefers reading to writing. Mas gusto niya ang pagbabasa kaysa sa pagsusulat. Please translate this word into English. Please translate this word into English. Paki-translate naman ang salitang ito sa English. This stew is very tasty. This stew is very tasty. Napakasarap ng nilagang ito. He's taller than we are. He's taller than we are. Mas matangkad siya kaysa sa amin. To whom did you give the key? To whom did you give the key? Kanino mo ibinigay ang susi? Our team won the match. Our team won the match. Nanalo ang grupo namin sa laban. Which one do you want? Which one do you want? Alin ang gusto mo? She has plans for it. She has plans for it. May plano siya para roon.